Let's understand the text. When did Janki get the idea of swimming the English Channel? Janki was struck by polio in 1987. As a child, she had the habit of trying to swimming the English Channel. What did she plan to do then? Janki conveyed her childhood dream of swimming the English Channel to the English Channel Swimming Association for details. The association set for her two conditions to fulfill her wish. Who said, I was able to swim 10 hours at a stretch in the swimming pool. Choose the correct choose the correct answer. Answer Janaki. Where did she go with the help of Thimai Academy of Adventure? With the help of Thimai National Academy of Adventure, Janaki went to the coastal town of Malpe. What did she do there? Janaki began training in the Arabian Sea. She spent there 3 weeks. She, she spent 3 weeks there with a coach, Dinesh Suvarna. She learned to spend long hours in the sea by swimming a minimum of 20 kilometers a day. Who contributed the money she needed for swimming the English Channel? After getting permission to make the attempt of swimming the English Channel, Janki had to start collecting for the trip. The government, a few private agencies, and several friends contributed the money she needed for the attempt. Who was Stella Stretcher? Stella Stretcher was the famous channel coach under whose guidance Janki received for about 3 weeks. What does Janki's Maritime Express mean? Janki was one of the proud members of the team of six. The other members, the other swimmers in the team, mostly Americans, were amazed to see that Janki could swim. So they named the relay team Janki's Maritime Express after her name to honor her. Or the expression Janki's Maritime Express means the relay team named after Janki of swimming the English Channel. Let's understand the text better. What were the conditions set by the English Channel Swimming Authority? The two conditions set by the English Channel Swimming Authority were: first, the swimmers should be able to spend at least 10 hours continuously in water, and the second one is the swimmers should be able to do marathon swimming in the high sea for long hours at a stretch. Where were the officials of English Channel Swimming Association shocked? When Janki reached over and began practicing in the English Channel, the Channel Swimming Association officials were quite shocked because this was the first time in their experience that a physically handicapped person, Janaki, was trying to swim in the English Channel. Where was it decided that Janaki would be part of a relay team? Janaki trained for about 3 weeks under the famous channel coach Stella Stretcher, but her request to make a solo attempt of swimming was rejected for the non-availability of spare boats. Only then was it decided that Janaki would be part of a relay team. What were the channel waters like? The English channel waters were so cold and very salty. There were the seaweeds and jellyfish in the water too. What are the problems that Janki faced while swimming the English Channel in relay team? The English Channel waters were so cold that Janki needed much more energy to keep her arms moving. Then she had the problem of her legs moving to the left or to the right as per the moving waves. The salty water made her vomit with some jellyfish sticking to her body. What are the feelings of Janki's parents when she was crossing the channel water? Janki's parents, Mr. Nagappa and Mrs. Indirama, kept standing on Dover Beach in anxiety-ridden mind. They could not eat a single morsel. For old people like them, it was more painful. What does the expression paraplegic Olympics mean? The expression Paraplegic Olympics to be held in 1996 in Atlanta means the participation of the physically deformed persons in the mega events of Olympics exclusively. What what is it you like most about Janki? It is her determination, her courage, her hard work. Janki was a paragon of finest human virtues. I like her determination, understand spirit of hard work and zeal coupled with exemplary courage and self-reliance.